is the atmosphere taking me from you, dear, clawing away with all that is in me. I can't make the climb now, there's too much debris in my way, but maybe I can someday. I stare in the mirror, look what I've become, a sorrowful stranger without you. I'm numb, don't know who I am without you beside me. On the memory of you, I'm counting to guide me. My daughter, my love, my gift from above. Nothing in this life can separate us. If ever you need me, just reach deep inside. Let mommy's love dry the tears from